How to use Evernote for beginners. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Evernote for beginners and how you can track your projects, how you can remember everything, and how you can jot down your notes, tasks, and schedule everything in one place. So let's get into the video. So Evernote is a very good note-taking app that you can use to have everything in one place. It is basically going to be like your digital journal that you can access from any gadget or anywhere that you are. You can go paperless, you can clip the web, you can connect your Google Calendar and find your Evernote, whether you want to get organized to keep your personal life on track or boost workplace productivity. Evernote has the right plan for you. So the thing is that when you are using a paper related journal, or if you're jotting everything down using paper, you cannot directly connect to the internet, you cannot access your calendar, your drive, and everything. So you have to go on and get a gadget for that, and there are two things separately. You like the one that you have taken notes on, and the other that you have all the digital access to. So to have everything in one place, Evernote is a great app that you can use because it is going to have give you the digital access as well, and you can use it as a paper taking notepad as well. So it has three basically versions that you can use. First one is free. Here you can capture ideas and find them very quickly. You can take great notes. You can sync two devices, 60 MB monthly uploads, 25 MB max note size, etc. So there are a lot of features in it as well. Then there's a personal plan that you can use to keep your home and family on track. You can sync unlimited devices. You have 10 GB monthly uploads, and you have 200 MB max note size, and there are a lot of other features you can use as well. Then you have a professional plan and tackle any project at work or at home, and you can have everything in personal plus save 2x more content with 20 GB with monthly uploads, access to all widgets and customization for home and other as well. So you can choose your plan accordingly your needs. So I'm just going to continue with the free plan right now, and then after signing in or logging in, I'll show you guys how you can continue. Okay, so you can see that this is the main dashboard of your Evernote. Here you have your notes untitled, you have your starting note, things to do, etc. And here is your scratch pad. So if you are just in a meeting, or if you're just going around and you have all these tasks that you need to fulfill, and there is something that you need to jot down very quickly, then you can use your scratch pad and you can type in anything that you want in this, and it will be a quick note reminder to you that you have to do this thing, or this needs to be done, or this will be an addition to all the notes that you have, something that you encountered on the way. So this is your scratch pad. Then you have your recently captured, your web clips, your images, your documents, audio, emails. All of this content is going to be here, and here are going to be all of your notes. Now if you want to customize your whole workspace or your dashboard, you can just click on this option and you can customize your dashboard like this. So welcome to your home customization. Get started. You can see that this is your scratch pad. If you want to change the color of your scratch pad, you can just go on and do that. And if you want to increase or decrease the widget size, you can see that it has increased the widget size to this, or if you want to increase it more, here it is what it looks like. So it is, I don't think so that the scratch pad should be this long, because there is no need for that. So it is like good as it is. Then you have your widget size of notes as well. You can shorten it down or you can elongate it as you want. Then you have your recently captured right here, and you can basically remove that if you want to, or you can keep it as it is if you want to. The next thing is basically all of these widgets that you can add. You have your calendar, you have your filtered notes, you have your my tasks, notebooks, pinned notes, scratchpad, and you have your shortcut and tags. So if you want to change anything, or if you want to basically add another widget, you can add it as well. So in rather than this recently added being too long, I want to add my calendar here like this. So I'm going to sign in with my Google Calendar, and any important date is going to be listed right here. So if I want to take a quick look on what are going to be the next date, if I want to schedule something, I can do that quickly from this widget right here. So if you want to remove any widget from among these, or if you want to add any widget, you can just go on and do that. Then you have your option to change the background image. This is the background image right now, which says good morning me, good morning. Even if you want to change your background image, you can do that. So I like greens. Greens basically, greens are a good motivation, so I'm just going to change it to something green. I'm going to select that, and this is how my home page looks like now. So after everything, I'm going to upgrade to save changes. So to save these changes, I have to upgrade to the professional or pro plan. I haven't used that right now, so I'm just going to exit it, and it will go back to the things that to the template that or layout that it was before. But I told you guys how you can customize it. The next thing is you have your sidebar right here. You have your home, your shortcuts, your notes, your tasks, your notebooks, your tags, and your shared with me. So I'm just going to click on new, and I'm going to click on a note or task or attachment or sketch. Add anything that you want. Let's say I want to add a new note. In my new note, you need to add in some of the fields. Like for example, this is the new note that I've just created, and now I want to add in the title of the note, the description of the note, or any to-do list that I want to add in it. For example, this is a title. The title should be, let's say, sample, and I can start writing or dragging the description of it, and then I have to add a to-do list into my home: task 1, task 2, task 3. So this is going to be a new note that I've just created. Then you have an option to create a new task. The task is going to be created to be assigned to a specific note that I have, or you can also go to a things to do. You can create a note of things to do, and you can create a task in that. After that you have an option to create an attachment or a sketch. So sketch is a really good thing that you can do on that Evernote allows you to do on itself, that you can create a sketch. So in this sketch you can draw anything that you want. You can draw any roadmap, you can type in anything. For example, if I want to type in some kind of if I want to type in some kind of flow chart, I can just go on and do that on this specific thing, on this specific sketch, and I can type in all of the details of what I want to do, or what I want, what I'm thinking about in mind. I can jot down, I can sketch anything that I want. If I want to change something, if I want to add a highlighter to it, if I want to highlight something, I can have a highlighter. If I want to erase something, then I have an eraser, and it is going to erase everything that I've just made. If I made a mistake, then it is going to erase that. And then I have another marker at dotted line as well. I can just go on and create anything from this. I can just go on, and it is going to give me a ratio proportion of that. So these are all the form marking types. Then you can also zoom in or zoom out depending upon your own requirement. Then you can also snap to a shape. Like for example, if you want to create a specific shape, you can just go on and create that from this option right here. Then you have an option to locate, and you can basically fit to window, you can reset zoom, and you can snap to shape. And you can also change the background color. You can change it to black if you want to, yellow, you have your pink, light pink, etc. And then you have your option to change the background pattern. This is, you can change it to this, or you can make it a diary, you can broadline diary, you can make it a grid or else bigger grid, or you can save sketch with pattern, or you can go on and remove the pattern on saving it is completely, or you can make it completely none as well. So this is how basically your board is going to work, your sketchboard is going to work. After you're done, your sketch will be saved in your attachment or your clips. So this was all the basic gist of Evernote and how you can use it for project management. Although it is a note-taking app, but it basically makes the project management also very easy, because you can write and you can edit whenever you want, and you can add anything, and in a very easy way, just like you're copying it down in your usual notebook. So the plan that I'm using right now is this plan, which I have got a 7-day free trial. So if whenever this trial is going to end in 7 days, I will be charged $6.67 US dollars, which is going to be monthly. So I guess it is a very good it is a very minimal amount of money where you can get a very good app for free, and where you can use a very good app and all the features in it. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I hope I explained everything well and thoroughly. If you have any queries, you can always comment them down, and I'll make sure to get back to you guys. Until then, please leave a comment on this video, and also give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, which is Software is Made Easy. And thank you.